Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Elizabeth. Happy birthday to me. Hello everyone, welcome to Taroko Railways. And as you all know by now, it is my birthday, my 50th birthday today. So thanks for all the great wishes I got from everyone, great wishes and beautiful messages and illustrations and birthday songs and gifts, and can I carry on? It's just been overwhelming. It's been a very hectic, busy day, and I can only get to actually doing what I want to do today right now, because although it's been my birthday, I had to be up and ready early this morning for breakfast. Get this, on a terrace in a lodge, and it was lovely, and out for the game drive and all that. So it's been beautiful. Thank you so much. And yes, of course, I'll be looking out for all my messages that's still in my inbox that I need to go through, and also packages that arrived since 2 weeks ago, all for this special day. So thank you once again everyone for watching and enjoying the hobby with me. Today we're going to look at 3 Bachman wagons, and the first one we're going to look at is a Bachman code 3399C, which is a 30-ton bogie bolster wagon, BR grade. So exciting stuff, and it's not all about Hornby, although Hornby is about 95% of the stock that I have on the layout, and the rest comprise of Trying, Ring and Bachman. So yes, a lot of this video footage have been done prior to me editing it today on my birthday, and I need to get ready for 8 p.m. because that is another special date that's waiting, and so I've got to be ready for the date and 8 o'clock this evening. So looking at the local running now with some of the new wagons. Let's not waste time and jump into it, and starting right now. Second one is the Bachman 37402 16-ton slope-sided steel mineral wagon of Stewart and Lloyd's with a load. So in this wagon we've got the lettering done nicely on the wagon, and also extras and details that featured on this wagon is absolutely amazing. And again, the packaging from Bachman is also amazing. And the only bad thing, if I have to say, is that the load of the mineral steel on top of the, I think, not really 100% good quality as what you would expect. It just feels so flimsy, as the other hopper wagon that I purchased had at least a solid piece of load that's been prepped, and this little piece that I got now is based on this polystyrene little piece that was cut out. It just feels a bit cheap, and it feels like something that we could have made at home, which obviously good, but I just expected maybe a little bit more from Bachman. But anyways, nevertheless, it does finish off nicely, and so if inserted, it looks real and it really plays the part. And then thirdly, we're going to look at the Bachman 33308, a 20-ton towed brake van in BR grey, which is also a Bachman weathered edition. So very exciting. There's some rolling stock being reviewed today. And now looking at the Bachman 33-308, a 20-ton towed brake van in BR Grey weathered edition, also from a Bachman. It's very nicely done and compliments the Bachman on this. Recently, nothing bad also, with regards to Bachman stock that I've purchased recently. And this one is a really another one that falls in the category where I have nothing bad to say about it. It is a regular brake van style, the towed and also lettering, finishing, and then of course just a touch of weathering on the side. And the BR grey finish is stunning. Very pleased to add this brake van to my collection on the layout. I don't know about you, but I see that I've sold off many of my trying brake vans, and I actually regret that because I had over 30. And yes, as there seem to be a lot of rolling stock freely available, but with Hornby and Bachman it's not really the case, so I have to purchase new, and that's quite a costly thing. So in my area, yes, we have fairs, and if I shopped around and if I waited longer, I might have had a bargain or two. But who wants to wait if you can actually get it right now and just fill up that gap on the layout? And of course, as you know, my layout, I run SR, LNR, LSWR, LMS, GWR, and BR. So I need a lot of stock. In other words, I need a lot of brake vans. So I know if I shopped around, I could have probably got a couple of specials, but the act now, buy now, no regrets situation quickly jumps in when you need the stock. So just a word on suppliers. I have 4 suppliers that I support locally, and that is Jabaville, Jigs, Revos, and most importantly, Ingrid and Rob from Hobbies and Models. Thanks, Ingrid and Rob, if you're watching, for all the special care and all the effort that you do to assist me in my hobby. I really appreciate it. And I must also add that in Jabaville is Barbara and Jaja is great also with their secondhand stock and service, and they're always ready to assist. And coming back to it, your suppliers, support your local hobby shops. It really does help, and it puts you in a position to next time when you go and visit their shop, they might just have the item you're looking for. So thanks everyone again for joining me, and thank you for your birthday wishes and gifts and beautiful messages sent to me on email. And I've still got a couple that I need to go through before my evening gets more exciting. So I really am blessed, and take care. All my best. Regards, Elizabeth.